Starting around 23 June 2023, Velo generally is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.23%. In most recent 1 hour, in a kind of significant manner, Velo especially has an all-out market cap of $22,139,492, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,946,088. Incredibly, this basically makes Velo certainly positioning at 563 in the digital money market. Or so they truly thought. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo generally be extremely worth in 2023, which fundamentally is genuinely huge? Is Velo a wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, which explicitly is very huge? Will Velo cost basically outperform its unequaled high? These especially are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost basically is supposed to in a real sense cross a sort of normal value level of $0.003, the normal truly least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to explicitly be $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Velo can fundamentally arrive at an exceptionally most extreme value level of $0.004, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo value figure June 2023. The Velo estimate for June 2023 expects that the Velo may really arrive at an extremely greatest worth of $0.003 with a sort of least cost of around $0.003, which basically is very critical. Discussing the typical value, Velo can fundamentally stretch around $0.003 for June. So starting around 23 June 2023, Velo in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.23% in absolute most recent 1 hour in a very significant manner. Velo value conjecture July 2023. The Velo figure for July 2023 expects that the Velo may, for the most part, arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.003 with a really least cost of around $0.003, which fundamentally is very critical. Discussing the exceptionally normal value, Velo can really stretch around $0.003 for July, which explicitly is very huge. Velo value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Velo cost basically is conjecture to sort of arrive at a sort of the least cost of $0.003, exhibiting that besides Velo can really arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $0.004, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Velo cost could in a real sense arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0.003, with the typical expected cost around $0.003 in an unobtrusive manner. Velo value figure September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo truly is determined to be at around a base worth of $0.003, showing that Velo value expectation 2023. As per the Velo conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost generally is supposed to basically cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.003. The normal sort of least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to, in every practical sense, be $0.003 in a really significant way. The Velo value worth can especially arrive at an especially limit of $0.003, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars in a significant way. Velo value figure October 2023. The Velo cost for October 2023 may generally arrive at a by and large least worth of $0.003, while the genuinely most extreme determined cost really is around $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. The essentially normal cost for Velo explicitly is really anticipated to sort of reach $0.003 in October 2023 in a genuinely large way. Velo value figure November 2023. In November 2023, The cost of Velo especially is supposed to fundamentally be at around at least $0.003 in an especially significant manner. Velo cost can arrive at a buy and large limit of $0.004, with the very normal cost of $0.003 in United States dollars, or so they basically thought. Velo value estimate December 2023. The Velo conjecture for December 2023 expects that the Velo may, in a real sense, arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $0.004 with a sort of least cost of around $0.003, showing how these generally are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in an exceptionally large manner. Discussing the in every practical sense, normal value Velo can, in a real sense, stretch around $0.003 for December. So discussing the typical value Velo can for the most part stretch around $0.003 for June. So starting around 23 June 2023 Velo by and large is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.23% in most recent 60 minutes. Velo past value examination and the beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been truly diminished by 1.31% in its ongoing worth, showing that Velo value estimate July 2023. The Velo gauge for July 2023 expects that the Velo may sort of arrive at an, in every practical sense, greatest worth of $0.003 with an, in every way that really matters, least cost of around $0.003, which generally is genuinely critical, assuming we essentially analyze the exceptionally current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's. You can explicitly see that the market cap certainly is additionally down, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the Velo truly was in generally excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 2.63%. Showing how, assuming we truly think about the exceptionally current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Velo generally has shown areas of strength for exceptionally potential of late, and this could be decent, an open door to sort of dive right in and contribute, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo in a real sense diminished by 53.214%, taking out an incredible pretty normal amount of $0.003 from its, in every practical sense, current worth, by and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can essentially be a great really purchase a valuable open door for by and large speedy venture, sort of additional appearance. How in addition Velo can, for the most part, arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of 0.0